We're here in Johnson Valley, California, getting ready to install a shipping container home. It's going to be a total of 4 containers combined, 3 20-footers and 1 40-footer. I want to show you the foundation first here. So we went with a slab foundation with footings around the perimeter. On the corners of the slab, you're going to see these metal plates. These are about 12 inch by 12 inch. That's where the corner casters are going to get welded to. So by code or by the specs of the engineer, they want us to weld 5 inches on each side of the corner caster. So it'll be a total of 10 inches of welding to each corner. Right here is actually where the 40-foot container is going to go. Up on top of the 40-footer will be a 20-foot container. The bottom 40 is going to be the tiny home. The top 20-footer is an additional bedroom space. Over here is where there's going to be a double wide container. So it's going to be 2 20-foot containers combined together. Now for this is actually going to function as the garage space. So we're here at King of the Hammers. It's a big off-road racing event. And so this is going to be a cool place for them to be able to pull their UTVs in and things like that, be able to work on them or just have them parked while they're staying in the tiny home. So right over here, you can see the tiny homes. 2 of the 4 units have already arrived. So right here is the 40-foot container. This is the 1-bedroom model. So it's got full bath, full kitchen, bedroom and living room. And then over here is the additional bedroom unit. Now, what's pretty cool about these is we are doing rooftop decks on top of them. And so you can already see right there on the right side, on the top of that 40-footer is a rooftop deck. There's gonna be 2 more on the other 2 20-foot containers. So it's gonna be a total of 480 square feet of rooftop decking. Now, this is the upstairs bedroom unit. I went with some funky colors. It is sponsored by Can-Am, and so we went with colors that are gonna reflect the Can-Am logo. But we did the 4-light modern entry door here. I went with the Papa Red, a couple big windows on the inside, and then over here on the 40-footer with a similar look to it with the yellow and the red. The railings for the rooftop deck are just collapsed up top. So we'll pop those up once we get the unit set. We have the crane scheduled to be here in about 10 minutes. So we'll be beginning to set these units, and they'll be going right here on this foundation. And our goal is actually by the end of today to have all the units installed and welded together. So a big day for us today.